In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Pay Later Hotel in Expedia. By the end, you'll be able to filter for properties that let you reserve now and pay at the property so you can lock in a room without being charged up front. First, open your web browser and go to expedia.com. When the homepage loads, look at the top menu and choose Stays. This tells Expedia you're searching specifically for hotels and similar properties. Next, use the Where To field to enter your destination. Start typing the city or area and select the correct result from the suggestions, so Expedia knows exactly where you want to stay. Then pick your check-in and check-out dates on the calendar and click Done to confirm. After that, set how many travelers are coming and how many rooms you need. Adjust adults, children, and rooms as needed, and then click Search to see available options. On the results page, focus on the left-hand side panel, find the filter by section, then look for the payment options. Check the box labeled Reserve Now, Pay Later. The results will refresh to show only properties that support paying at the property or closer to arrival rather than charging you today. Now browse through the filtered hotels. You'll see options that fit your dates and group size and allow pay later. When you spot a property you like, click it to open the full details page. On the Choose Your Room section, double check your start and end dates to make sure they're still correct, especially if you've navigated around or changed filters. Scroll through the available room types and review what's included, the cancellation policy, and whether the pay later option applies to that specific room and rate. When you find a match, click reserve. You'll move into the booking flow for that room. On the payment step, select pay when you stay. This is the key setting that keeps your upfront charge at 0 while holding the reservation. Look at the payment summary to confirm the amount due now shows 0 and that the charge will occur at the property or according to the hotel's policy. Some hotels may request a card to hold the room or place a temporary hold. That's normal and details will be shown clearly. Finally, click the button to book now with 0 due today. You'll receive a confirmation with your reservation details and payment timing. That's it. You've successfully found and booked a Pay Later hotel on Expedia.